Yesterday you built a click counter and made your first commit. Simple, but real. Today you go further. You are going to take that same project and turn it into an idea generator. Users can type an idea, see it appear as a card, remove individual ones, or clear them all. By the end of today, your app will look good on any screen, handle bad input gracefully, and be protected against one of the most common security vulnerabilities. On day one, you use div elements for everything. That is how most people start. But HTML gives you elements that carry actual meaning. Main tells the browser this is the primary content. Section groups related things together. Form, label, and input work as a team, so clicking the label focuses the field. Screen readers use these landmarks to help users navigate. Search engines weight them when ranking pages. And your future team. Here is something that surprises most beginners. You do not need Bootstrap or any CSS framework to make a layout that works on every screen. 6 Flexbox properties and 1 media query is all it takes. You give the input a flex value of 1, so it stretches to fill the available space. The button stays its natural width. Below 600 pixels, they stack into a column automatically. All of JavaScript, every framework, every library, comes down to 3 ideas. Variables hold the current state of your application. Functions are the actions your application can take, packaged so you can call them again and again. Events are how the browser tells your code that a user did something. When you understand how these 3 work together, you are. On day 1, you put onClick directly on the button tag. That works for tiny demos, but breaks as soon as your code gets larger. Today you separate HTML from JavaScript completely. You wrap everything in DOM content loaded, so your script waits for the page to be ready before it runs. Then you use Add Event Listener to connect each user action to its handler. This is the pattern you will see. Your users will press Submit with an empty field. They will press it with just a space. They will do it by accident, and they will do it on purpose. Your app needs to handle all of it without crashing or showing a confusing error. The rule is, trim the input first, then check if anything is left. If not, show a specific message and move focus back to the field. 4 lines of code. This is the security habit that separates developers who have been burned from those who have not. If you take something a user typed and drop it directly into Interhail, you are allowing that user to inject code into your page. Type a script tag as your idea, and the browser executes it. That is called cross-site scripting, and it is the #1 vulnerability on the web. The fix is one word: use text. This is what you are building today. A topic comes in, a card comes out. Remove a single idea without affecting the others. Clear them all with one click. The empty state shows a helpful message instead of a blank screen. Every edge case handled quietly. No crashes, no confusing behavior. When you finish when your app is working, you will ship it the same way a professional engineering team does. Create a feature branch, commit your changes in 3 logical stages, push, and open a pull request. Then go to the Files Change tab and review your own diff before merging. This is the daily workflow of every software team in the world. Open versus code, follow the Day 2 guide, and build your idea generator. Watch the 3 linked videos first. They will make everything click faster. When you merge that pull request, you will have shipped your first